Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
After a
How are
long,
you?
long time, sir.
Yes.
Pranam, sir. Pranam, sir.
Ku- Kusa, kusa.
Happy
How
New
is
Year,
your
sir.
health? Same to you. How is your health?
Now it is quite well. Quite fine, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that notes you have sent to me, that Ramsey model and overlapping generation model, that I have read, but Ramsey model I didn't understand.
Uh, Printout is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With me.
Read out. I will discuss it.
Okay, sir. Originally, Ramsey set out the model as a social planner's problem of maximizing level of consumption over successive generation. Okay, Ramsey model aims only at explaining long-run economic growth rather than business cycle fluctuations, and does not include any
Correct.
sources of disturbances like market imperfections, heterogeneity among households, or exogenous shocks. Subsequent researchers therefore extended the model, allowing for government purchase shocks, variation in employment, and sources of disturbances, which is known as real business cycle theory. Up to this, it is right. Now, they are written that Ramsey model starts with an aggregate production function that satisfies the Inada condition. Sir, I don't know what is Inada condition.
Okay. Ramsey model is related to as a socialistic planner,
Yes.
and Ramsey takes differential differential equations, which
Hmm.
are the basis of INADA. Another term is a short term for the mathematical differentiations.
Okay. That portion I couldn't understand. Uh, that integrating part. Uh, often specified to the Kapda-Class type, that Kapda-Class production function Q is equal to function of K and L with factors capital K and labor L. Since the production function is assumed to be homogeneous of degree L, we can express it in per capita terms. Like we can multiply it by 1 by L, and it would be LFK. LFK. The amount of labor is equal to population in the economy and grows at a constant rate N. Okay. That is L is equal to L naught e to the power NT, where L naught greater than 0 was the population in the initial period, and the first key equation of Ramsey model is the state equation for capital accumulation.
Okay.
And now dk dt, fk, first key equation of Rabelais model হচ্ছে dk dt is equal to fk minus n plus delta within bracket into k multiplied k minus c. Sir, please explain this equation dk dt and this first key equation.
dk dt means differentiation of capital with
Capital
respect to
with
time.
respect to time.
Time.
Yes.
That is that variation with the respect of time.
Yes.
So
Now fk that the function of capital minus n plus sigma n plus delta within bracket multiplied k. Sir, why we subtract delta here?
it is his equation, his research equation.
Okay, now capital K, capital intensity, that is capital per worker. C, consumption per worker. Fk, output per worker for a given K. And delta, depreciation rate of capital. No problem. Under the simplifying assumption that there is no population growth, this equation states that investment or increase in capital per worker is that part of the output which is not consumed minus the rate of depreciation of capital. Investment is therefore the same as savings. Okay. Now that integral part is coming. The second equation of the model is the solution to the social planner's problem of maximizing a social welfare function. That equation I couldn't understand, that u naught is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt u function of c dt. Sir, please explain. I couldn't understand this equation.
Social planner equation that in the economy where capital and labor are there, then how do we increase utility? And by doing that, we will take all consumers in the economy in a growth model. So this is the condition shown
Sir,
by
why they put minus in exponential form, minus pt? P stands for, sir, P. Here P stands for
these are the on the basis of assumption. You have to write down same way what he has presented. On the basis of his research finding, he has developed this equation.
No, sir. I asked that what is P? P stands for what here?
P or rho.
Oh, this is rho. It seems like P. This is rho, sir.
Yeah.
What is the indication of rho?
Rho is a constant factor.
But why they put minus in front of rho?
Negative relationship was established in a social planner method. Rho is taken into minus because there is a one planner as a communist leaning. This model is based upon socialistic tendency towards the economy, where saving will be minus in most of the people.
Okay. Okay. That consists of stream of exponentially discounted instantaneously utility from consumption, where rho belongs to 0 to infinity, is a discount rate reflecting time preference. Then max C u naught is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus rho t mu. This is mu or u, sir? Mu or
Mu, mu, mu,
mu.
mu,
Okay.
mu.
Mu function of C dt. Okay. Subject to C is equal to, okay, that fk minus n plus delta within bracket k minus k dot. K dot means dk dt.
Yeah.
Okay. Where an initial non-zero capital stock k0 k is equal to k naught greater than is given. Now that diagram, sir, diagram you may explain separately now in your board. Sir, diagram separately.
Diagram you look like diagram. You just show me. You just not clear.
Huh?
और थोड़ा सा ऊपर. Okay.
Sir, previously
Okay.
I have viewed one of your video in YouTube channel on Ramsey model. There you had explained it in very well explanation you have given there.
That you will add it here. Ramsey Keynesian.
And that
rule.
was too easy also to understand, to comprehend.
You add that material you add here also. There is some common point, but you add that under the name of Keynes-Ramsey rule.
Sorry, sir. Sir, your voice is coming. It's in too low value.
Oh, internet problem. Keynes,
Okay.
Ramsey and Keynes.
Ramsey and Keynes, sir, I have viewed that video, sir, and it was very easy to comprehend, easy to understand.
Yeah, yes, you put it there, but this difficult portion also you will add it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now I will manage it.
Actually, Ramsey-Keynes rule. Look here in the diagram, what we see, like this. This portion is most important. That is the maximization. This is maximum, but this is optimum, and maximization is established here.
Okay. This
So,
one is optimum, but maximum is here.
yeah, this is optimum. This cannot be obtained. Actually, this will be obtained.
Okay.
And other things like this, you just draw like this, what, 4 times here. Like this, you have seen a diagram. But the thing is, concave. This is concave.
Yes.
Curve is concave. So in a utility curve, in the society is a concave, and that maximize here. But optimization, maximization is in this. Show the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Can you draw?
Sir, in your video, the diagram you had drawn, that I can draw.
Yeah.
That I can draw.
Yeah. Okay. Main thing in this diagram, that is inverted U.
Okay.
Inverted U curve, that means concave to the origin. Utility curve is always concave to the origin.
Yes.
Maximization is there, and this is concave to the origin. We read in indifference curve convex to the origin, but here it is concave to the origin, because Ramsey was a socialist thinker.
Okay.
His mentality is not a capitalist economy. He has one social planner in the economy which will decide everything. हाँ हेलो हाँ हाँ बोलो हाँ अच्छा तो ऐप है डॉक्टर पीसी वर्मा एकेडमी ऐप है वो ऐप को डाउनलोड करो उसके बाद उसी के अनुसार होता है क्लास तो लॉकडाउन से ही चल रहा है अपना थोड़ा हाँ तो उसमें बिजनेस वो जनरल बीपीएससी वाला सब था अभी इधर देख रहे हैं कि प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर के लिए आ रहा है तो एक्चुअली तो यूपीएससी का सिलेबस है हाँ सिलेबस यूपीएससी का दिए हुए है हाँ पूरा होल सिलेबस ये वो सोलो मॉडल ऊपर से ऐड किया अभी कहाँ हो तुम ओ किशनगंज तो फिर से तुम ही दे रहे हो क्या भरे हुए हो अच्छा ठीक है उसी को डाउनलोड कर लो वो इसमें है ऐप है हाँ, ऑनलाइन क्लास रहता है तो उसमें आप कैसे क्लास करोगे? ऑनलाइन दिन में क्लास होता है। हाँ, दिन में और फिर शाम में होता है, शाम में 7 बजे। ठीक, वही 7 बजे वाला। ओके ओके। हाँ, इस डायग्राम को बनाई नहीं हो?
No, sir. I couldn't understand. That's why I didn't try to make it.
Just you start main in this diagram. Main line is inverted U line.
Yes.
Look here, inverted U line. Isn't it? You look in the diagram, inverted U line.
Yes.
And left side, this is of maximization, optimization. That the straight line is tangent. Line is tangent to this point. And this is equilibrium. Rest is you have to copy the different types of curve which is may operate. For corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, for corner, its side effect is there. But main thing is that at this point there will be optimization, and that is the concave to the origin utility curve. Utility curve is always concave to the origin. Concave to the origin. So you draw at least one time. You draw.
Yes, sir.
One time. Diagram is there. Diagram is with you.
Yes, sir.
So I am drawing without seeing your diagram one thing which you look here, and
Okay, sir. Sir, that portion which I have understood well from that video, I will take it from that video too.
okay.
Okay, and here you have drawn in very easy way.
That will be in first step. You will give this second step. Look here, the curve is like this.
Okay.
Original curve. Look in your diagram.
Yes, sir. It is with
And
me.
then there is one tangent here.
Yes.
One tangent line. This is the main thing. Rest is only you have to draw as it is drawn. There are several not optimal cases that may be look in your in the diagram. It may be shown here also. It will be shown this side. This will be shown this side. This will be shown this side. But in whole of this, only this Q point will be taken into consideration, which will maximize utility and the capital formation. So you will write a YouTube diagram, and if you will try one or two times, then this diagram also you can put.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
In YouTube diagram, it is very simple to understand
Yes. Yes, sir.
because all extra lines are removed. Look here, only in the diagram, extra lines are there, which has nothing to do with the equilibrium. But that is there in the society. In the society, there may be many points which are not taken into consideration for a planner. Planner will take the same only concave to the origin, concave point, utility point, and this point will be taken into consideration for maximization of utility through the capital accumulation. So this is K star and this is U star. Look there in the diagram. Look this portion you look in the diagram. Just now, see. And you will put from the YouTube also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all.
Sir.
Anything more? Yeah.
No, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tomorrow, what we'll do?
Tomorrow we will do this. Next one, you read out
that OLG model.
OLG.
Sir, one
overlapping
thing.
model.
Sir, tomorrow I will prepare a Cobb-Douglas production function, and you will ask me, sir, orally, verbally. That would be better for me, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
we
sir.
will do that orally.
One by one,
Okay.
I will finish our topic, sir. One by one, I will finish my topic. I will prepare one topic one day, and you will ask me verbally.
Okay.
And tomorrow I will give you Cobb-Douglas production function verbally. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Pranam, sir. Good night, sir.
Don't take more strain.
No, sir. No, sir. But it would be easier to me to give you answer orally.
Okay. But in the examination?
Okay. Examination I will write, but that is that pressure I want that tomorrow sir will take my this is my homework, and tomorrow sir will take my homework. That pressure I want, sir.
That okay. Tomorrow we will I will ask you Cobb-Douglas production function. You will reply orally.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the topic overlapping model, you just read
we
it
will
out.
discuss OLG model.
Okay.
Pranam, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.